Hi, I'm Arundhati, and I'm going to walk you through my project generator for Android Clean Architecture Boilerplate, which is based on the principles of clean architecture. Well, quite a big name, but it's useful. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we need to open a terminal, then make a new directory. So say I would name my directory as new app. Oh, okay. So it already exists. Fine. Now let me do it. Simply new. And let's cd into the directory. Now for this video, I would assume you have Node.js already installed. If not, check the instructions in the description box below. Now let us install the Yeoman generator, which is an open source client-side scaffolding tool. So for that, we need to do npm install -g for global and yo. So now we'll have our Yeoman generator being installed. Okay, so now we have a Yeoman generator already installed and up to date. So now that we have a Yeoman generator installed, we would proceed towards installing the generator Android Clean Architecture Boilerplate package. So for that, we will use npm, okay, npm install history. Now the name of the package is generator Android Clean Architecture Boilerplate. Quite a big name. Okay, so it's getting installed. Okay, so we have a package installed. Now we will generate a boilerplate application. So for that, you need the command yo, and let me copy it from here. Okay, yes. So we were already inside the directory, and now we are generating our application. So will be the name of your application? Say, let it be new app. Okay. So what package will you be publishing under? So com.arundhati dot new app. I would be using Kotlin, say let's use default, and our application has been generated. So now we have our base application ready. I'm now going to open it on Android Studio and show it to you. Okay, so let's open our application. It was new, and this is, as you can see, our application. So let's open the root folder. It's loading. So now I'm going to run the application and show it to you. So let's start it on our emulator. So that's our application installed on our emulator. Okay, so that's how this project works. To know more about clean architecture, please go through the links in the description box. I hope this project turns out to be useful to you. Please feel free to open any issues in the issue tracker, the link to which you'll find in the description box below. You might also contribute to improve the project if you like. Thank you and take care.